Hi everyone, today I will show you how to finish the self-lab quest in Heartopia. Like this, self-service lab like this. Once your character reaches level 27, you will unlock a quest like this one. And to complete this quest, first just go to the central area, right like this, and then just enter this building. This one, just enter it, and then next just look for the device research device, this one. Just tap on it, and then on here you will be asked to choose an item to research. Each item has different research time on here, and then it has different energy rewards for leveling your lab, like on here, and then it has a different cult cost on here. Just choose the one that you like. For example, maybe I want to choose this one, and then next just simply tap on start research like this, and then just confirm, and then just wait for the research to complete until 2 days. And when the research complete, your self-service lab will be complete on here. And then when the research is complete, the item will be added to the research store on here. On here. You can buy the item on here. And for now, you can only purchase the item that are already available in the store like this. And okay, that's it. That's how you can complete the self-lab quest in Heartopia. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.